Diets review, simple and easy. Diets are a craze that never seems to slow down. There has always been one new diet after another with the promises of losing weight quickly with the newly formulated plan. Some work and some do not. There are pills, drinks, and meals to lose weight. Women have always been concerned about their diet and even more are obsessed with the weight loss aspect of the diet. Many want a fast solution to their weight issues. The fact remains that for any diet to work, a person needs to change how they approach food. By this it is meant, how is food consumed? How is food prepared? For a diet to really work, a person needs to change how they cook their food, how they eat their food, and how they use their food. Many people have unhealthy eating habits, so they have gained weight. They need to change their eating habits to lose weight and to keep it off. Learning to change the eating habits is only half of the dieting system. The other half is implementing exercise. Yet this article is about the right diet of foods for extended weight loss. So keep in mind, this is only the first half of the weight loss solution. There are foods that need to be removed from the diet in order to lose weight and to maintain a healthy weight. The food that fried should be avoided as much as possible. The added fats in the food are stored in the body and turn to fat when you do not burn the additives. Eating foods high in protein such as whey, lean beef, chicken, tuna, turkey, salmon, and eggs help with weight loss when added to the diet. The fatty acids in the fish are beneficial for a healthy diet, including stronger bones, teeth, nails, and hair. Remove dairy products that are high in fat content. Try to replace the fattening foods with a low-fat dairy product to limit the consumption of the fat in the dairy products. This also includes limiting the intake of the high-fat snacks, which add pounds and inches. Add essential fatty acids foods that include nuts, seeds, and flax oil to your diet. They are great sources of the essential fatty acids that are needed by the body to function properly. Eat the nuts and seeds as a snack instead of the chips or other unhealthy snacks. Add water to your diet. You should consume at least 8 8-ounce glasses of water a day. The water helps to hydrate the body and to flush out harmful toxins. Water will also help to make you feel fuller and eat less too. Add a good quality multivitamin to your daily diet. The vitamins will help your body with the essential nutrients your normal diet does not contain. Changing your eating habits to a healthier diet will help you lose weight and maintain the desired weight you want to have.